Welcome to the Budapest office and Diligence Center for Global Product Innovation. I'm excited to show you the office, tell about the great people that work here, and all about the team culture in this amazing space. Follow me. We are proud of the strong sense of community and the rich culture we have developed here. We have a very collaborative and dynamic group who are always ready to help each other and also share moments of fun. We organize a lot of events in the Budapest office, lunch and learns, parties, happy hours, so that people can connect and get to know each other also outside of the daily work. We are all about being product and customer first in Diligent Office, so the team members are really interested in learning new technologies, new methodologies, new concepts. The team members are so collaborative and encourage diverse teams to learn from each other. We are also investing in the next generation of software engineers in Hungary. We are very proud of our internship program and also our Diligent Tech Academy, where we are training 30 engineers through practical and theoretical trainings. We are in Servita Square building, just a short walk from the famous river Danube. We are incredibly lucky to be in the heart of the downtown of Budapest in one of the coolest and newest office buildings of the city. There are some great landmarks nearby, like the famous Váci Street for shopping, St. Stephen's Basilica, the Chain Bridge, Danube Promenade, and of course a lot of restaurants and pubs around. We moved into our office in 2022, and this space has been so important to help the Budapest team thrive. Our office has been built for collaboration and individual works. We are located across 3 floors. We have a lot of open space for working area, big kitchens, smaller offices, and also spaces where people can host meetings and gather for a chat. In March 2021, Diligent established its Global Center for Product Innovation, and we have been quite on a journey since that. Over the past 3 years, we have grown to become a strong and diverse team with more than 400 team members. As Diligent Center for Global Product Innovation, we are focusing on building world-class solutions for Diligent customers. In the office, we have team members of software engineering, product management, product design, research, and other supporting team members. I am so proud of the culture and the spirit we have developed here. Collaboration, teamwork, and innovation is at the heart of everything we do, and we also have some fun along the way. Thanks for stopping by and going on the tour for me. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye for now.